Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So guys, first of all, just want to apologize for not uploading a lot of videos, but I think as college exams are going on in the Asian countries and that got me so much busy that I don't have time to really edit the video. Making the video is easy, but editing and uploading does take a lot of time. But hopefully these exams are going to end by the end of this month, and then we will get back in our regular routine of uploading at least 2 to 3 videos a week. So I was having this video at my computer where I was really installing a screen protector. This is definitely not going to be a walkthrough. Instead, it will just give you a general idea of installing a screen protector on the Galaxy M20. So if you want to buy this one, I will put the link in the description. So hope you enjoy this video.